guess what I'm about to do? A fresh retwist. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of long overdue. So I'm about to spray the Loclicious Rose Water Hydration Mist. This is one of my staple products. I love to use this product to refreshen my locks. It is a very lightweight product that does not produce any residue and is perfect for using in between washes and even when you have a fresh wash. And in this case, I'm going to be using it to help prep my hair to do a fresh retwist. And then, of course, I have to follow up with the Loclicious Growth Oil. This is perfect for sealing in the moisture. I actually get asked quite often the kind of products that I use in my hair on a day-to-day basis. And y'all, I don't be lying when I say that I use Loclicious products. Like, I really do use their products religiously. So especially now that I colored my hair again and I have new chemicals in my locks and everything like that, I really want to make sure that I take extra care of my hair, because I want to make sure that I prevent breakage as much as possible. I want to make sure that it stays hydrated and moisturized as much as possible so that it can still remain in a healthy state. And that is why I love to use my go-to products, the Loclicious Rose Water Hydration Mist, along with the Loclicious Growth Oil. Now, I know that I always speak of these two main products on this channel all the time. However, they do have more products. They have shampoo, they have conditioner, they even have a lock and twist moisturizer. But out of all those products, these two are my faves because these are what I use on a day-to-day basis. If you're interested in purchasing the Loclicious products, you can visit their website and use my discount code OCT15 to receive 15% off. If you're a new customer, when you visit their website, make sure that you sign up for their email list, because on your first purchase, you'll actually receive 20% off. And then after you fall in love with their products, you can use my discount code OCT15 to receive 15% off for future purchases. Thank you, Loclicious, for sponsoring. Done with the retwist. My hair is looking so good, so fresh. Okay, now what I actually want to do, y'all, is some two-strand twists. Well, I want to do some like flat twists in the front of my hair, and then I was gonna pull my hair up and do some petals, but I don't know if I'm gonna pull it up to do the petals or not, or just do the twist in the front. But we gonna test some things out here. more. So we're gonna do like 4 twists on each side. It's funny because I have been wanting to actually do flat twists in my locks for a while, and I haven't done it. Well, I've tried multiple times, but I used to fail miserably. But now I understand why, and it's because I was doing my twists upward instead of downward, so it would never like actually stay. But y'all see, this looks so good. Okay, let me do the other side real quick. Flat twists are done, but now what? I don't know if I want to leave my hair down, if I want to rubber band it, how I want to do it. But I was thinking about doing some Bantu knots across the top. But I'm trying to think of how it would be when I sleep. Because yes, that is a deciding factor for me. Okay, I like what I did. What y'all think? It's different. Let me take these clips out the back. I like it. Just don't ask me how long this part is gonna stay up, because it all depends on what? My sleep. So yeah, but I like it. I think it's so cute, y'all. It's different. It's not my usual. Need to put some earrings in. Let me put some earrings in real quick. Hold on, let me complete the look. Hold on. This is the final look. These are the earrings that I chose to put on today. I love these earrings. They are from this brand called Dope Accessories. I'll make sure that I link their website down below. I have this pair and I have a gold pair of earrings. Not like this, but it's a different pair, but it's so cute. I feel like it really complements the outfit. Speaking of outfit, let me show y'all what I got on today. So this is the look. This is actually a maxi skirt. I wore this skirt to go on a solo date. So yes, this is a cute black maxi skirt. And then I have this cute black fitted top that says Good Days. Both items are from Shein. I think the shirt's from Shein, yeah. So I'm just wearing it like a little 2-piece set or whatever. This is how I look in the back. Yeah, so we are dressed and ready for the day.